Hey guys, so I'm here to announce the winner of the Gigi Hadid eyeshadow palette, and the winner is Blonde Gremlin. Congratulations. In the description box is my email address, so Blonde Gremlin, please email me your address and I will send you the eyeshadow palette. But because I've done this giveaway, I want to do another giveaway. For some reason this giveaway's made me feel a little bit guilty that I'm just going to do one giveaway. I've decided I'm going to do another giveaway in May. It's going to be because in May I've got a makeup haul coming up. I know it says it's going to be May. I haven't filmed the video yet. I'm collectively buying makeup. So far I've bought a lot of lipstick. I think next I'm tackling like eyeshadow palettes. So in that makeup haul I'm going to give away something to do with makeup. I think I could say Real Techniques. Yeah, I'm thinking of giving away some Real Techniques makeup brushes. So yeah, I just feel like I want to do another giveaway for all the support, guys. And yeah, just thank you for everyone for subscribing to the channel. I feel like giveaways are my way of like just saying I am so appreciative of like all the subscribers, all the support, all the lovely comments you guys that you leave. They are so nice and I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys on my next video, and don't forget there is another giveaway in May, so hit that bell button so you don't miss out on the giveaway. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video, which is yeah, I think I'm doing a cleaning video, and then on Monday I'm coming back with a WH Swift haul. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time.